Hello students, I am Nikhil Munjal. Today we will learn pair of linear equation and two variables. Pair of linear equation and two variables. First of all, what are linear equations? Linear equations are the equations which have degree 1. जिनकी degree 1 होती है उन equations को हम कहते हैं linear equations. Degree 1 means exponent 1. Let's take an example. In this equation, we have 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. The degree of this equation is 1 because the exponent of x is 1. x की यहाँ पे power 1 है, इसीलिए इस equation को हम कहते हैं linear equation. Now, two variables. The number of variables should be 2. In this equation, we have only one variable. Let's take another example. In this equation, we have two variables. First is x and second is y. Two variables in this equation. So this equation is known as linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Because the exponent of x and y is 1. We can clearly see that the exponent of x and y is 1. x और y की यहाँ पे पावर 1 है, इसीलिए इस इक्वेशन को हम बोलते हैं लीनियर इक्वेशन. अब क्योंकि यहाँ पर टू वेरिएबल्स हैं, इसीलिए इस इक्वेशन को बोलेंगे लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल. Pair means 2. So we need two equations. Equation number 1. Equation number 2. Here we have two equations. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. So this is known as the pair of first and second pair of linear equation in two variable. Here variables are 2, x and y. 2, 5, 6, 6, 2, 7. These are just constant numbers. These are just coefficients of the variable. The variables are x and y. Two variables we have in these equations. So this is known as pair of linear equation in two variables. The general form of these equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. a2x b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the general form of pair of linear equation in two variables. So this is the general form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Let's take an example to understand better. Suppose three friends A, B and C went to stationery shop and they purchased some pencils and few pens. Suppose A purchased 3 pens, 4 pencils and he paid 19 rupees, where B purchased 2 pens and 1 pencil and he paid 11 rupees. What if C purchased 1 pen, 6 pencil? How much he have to pay? So these type of problem we'll discuss in this chapter by using several methods. Methods like methods to solve this pair of linear equation in two variable. Graphical method. And second is algebraic methods. Algebraic methods, because there are many algebraic methods. You can see there are three algebraic methods you will learn in this chapter. First one is substitution method. Substitution method. Second is elimination method. Elimination method. And the third one is cross multiplication method. So these three methods are algebraic method, and this graphical method is a separate method. So let us discuss this graphical method. Let us discuss graphical method. So let's take a pair of linear equation and two variable. Suppose I have x plus 2y is equals to 5, and second equation is 8. So I have a two equation. Now we will solve it by graphical method. To solve it by graphical method, first of all, make a first equation in the form of subject. What is subject? Finding the value of any variable in the terms of other is known as making subject. Like in this case, x is subject. I have made x as a subject. You can make y also. आप y को भी subject बना सकते हो. कैसे बनाना है y को subject? This is the first equation. If you want to make y a subject, then solve it for y. This x gone here with the negative sign. The value of y will be this to come here. Now I have made y as subject. Here x is subject. You can make subject with your choice, but in this case I have made x as a subject. Now make a chart table. This is a chart table. I will put the value of y here, and I will get the value of x from this equation. Put y equals to 0. अगर हम यहाँ पे y की वैल्यू 0 रख दें तो क्या होगा? x is equals to 5 minus 2y. 2y यहाँ पे y आना चाहिए, बट y की वैल्यू कितनी है? 0 है. 2 into 0 0. x is equals to 5. So जब मैंने y की वैल्यू 0 रखी तब x की वैल्यू मुझे 5 मिली. Now put y is equals to 1. X is equals to 5 minus 2y. 5 minus 2y. Y is 1. 5 minus 2 into 1 2. X is equals to 5 minus 2 3. So whenever I'll put y equals to 1 in this equation, I'll get the value of x is 3. And one more time, put y equals to 2. You can put any value, you will get another value. Same equation, x is equals to 5 minus 2y. The value of y is 2. 2 2s are 4. The value of x is 1. So when you will put the value of y is 2, you will get the value of x, that is 1. So this is the chart of equation number 1. Now same for equation number 2. Now equation 2. Equation number 2. Equation number 2 is x plus 4y is equals to 8. X plus 4y equals to 8. Now make x as a subject. 8 minus 4y. ये जो पॉजिटिव 4y है इधर आकर क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस हो जाएगा. Now put y is equals to 0. You will get the value of x. X is 8 minus 4y. Y is 0. So x is 8 minus 0, that is 8. So whenever you will put y equal to 0, you will get the value of x is 8. Similarly, put y is equals to 1. The value of x will be 8 minus 4y. 8 minus 4y. Y is here 1. 8 minus 4 ones are 4. The value of x is 4. So when you put y equals to 1, you will get the value of x is 4. One last time, put y is equals to 2. X is equals to 8 minus 4y. What is y? 2. 8 minus 4 to the 8. That is 0. So when you put y equals to 2, you will get the value of x is 0. So now I have two charts. With the help of these two charts, this value data, I'll make a new graph. Now let's make a graph. Using these two values of x and y, we will indicate these points on this rough graph and we'll join them and make a straight line. You can make these graphs on the graph paper using proper graph paper and a scale, but here I will demonstrate you on a rough graph. So for the values of x and y from the first equation, we have three coordinates. First coordinate is 5, 0. The value of x is 5 and the value of y is 0. So first coordinate is 5, 0. Second is 3, 1. Third is 1, 2. For the second, we have 8, 0. For here, 4, 1 and 0, 2. So we have these 3 points will indicate in this graph. First one is 5, 0. This is 5 and 0 will find in this y-axis which lie on x-axis. 5, 0. So this is the point we can say 5, 0. X is 5 and y is 0. Abscissa is x and ordinate is 0. 5, 0. Second is 3, 1. 3, 1. 3. This is the line x equals to 3 and y equals to 1. This is the line which indicates y equals to 1. The intersection of both is 3, 1. Now you can clear this so that it will make no confusion while making the graph. And next is 1, 2. 1, 2. This is 1 and y is 2. This is the point. So we have now 3 points, 5, 0, 3, 1 and 1, 2. We have 3 points. We will join all 3 points and we'll make a straight line. Clear it? You can use a straight line to make these 3 points. So I have made a straight line with a free hand, but you will use a ruler to make straight lines. Now for the next 3 points, 8, 0, 4, 1, 0, 2. These 3 points will indicate in this graph and will make a straight line again. First of all, 8, 0. Now abscissa is 8 and ordinate is 0. This is the point. We can say 8, 0. Second one is 4, 1. Where is 4? In the x-axis the 4 is here. The y is 1. So find y is equals to 1. This is the 1. So here is our point, and the third one is 0, 2. Abscissa is 0 and ordinate is 2. This is the point 0, 2. So let us clear it so that no confusion will get. Let us clear it. So now we have 3 points. This is the first one, second one, and third one. Now join all these 3 points. So I have again made a straight line. This is a roughly straight line I have made to make you understand, but you will make in a proper graph paper with a scale so that your answer will be most accurate. Now here the solution is the intersection point of two straight lines. The intersection of these two straight line is your solution. ये जो दो लाइन एक दूसरे को इस पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं, यही आपका सॉल्यूशन है. तो देखते हैं कि इसका कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है, इस इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है. लेट्स फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट. So the abscisses may be 2 and it lies between 1 and 2. It may be 1.5. So the x is 2 and y is 1.5. This is our answer. This is our solution. So the value of x is 2 and the value of y will be 1.5. So the point of intersection of two straight lines is your solution. So that's how we'll make a graph by a graphical method.